Cement may only account for 8% of global carbon emissions today, but its share has been climbing fast. In 1950, it was just 1%. Now, emissions from cement rival those of some of the world's largest countries. The trend is heading in the wrong direction. Change is needed, fast. Cement production is carbon intensive. Raw materials are extracted, crushed, and heated in massive rotary kilns powered mostly by coal. Half the emissions come from burning fossil fuels, the other half from chemical reactions inside the kiln. In 2022, nearly 2 billion tons of CO2 came from cement manufacturing alone. With fossil fuel costs climbing, margins are under considerable pressure. One solution is solid recovered fuel, or SRF. Made from waste that costs less than coal, SRF delivers high energy at a lower price, reducing exposure to volatile markets and improving profitability. Cleaner, cheaper, and more sustainable, SRF secures the financial future of cement production. The problem is, SRF is often too wet to use. That's where Stronga comes in. Our FlowDrya systems condition and dry SRF, boosting its calorific value and ensuring smooth, reliable kiln operation. At the heart of FlowDrya is our PulseWave agitation process, which keeps material moving evenly for consistent drying. With no belts, chains, or sprockets, maintenance is minimal and service life is long. The DryStation control system gives operators full confidence in fuel quality, enabling them to control key parameters to achieve the ideal moisture content. Designed for continuous duty, FlowDrya runs reliably year-round, accepting residual heat from the kiln itself and transforming waste into sustainable energy. With Stronga, cement producers cut emissions, lower fuel costs, and strengthen their independence from fossil fuels. Switching to SRF isn't just about sustainability, it's about savings. By reducing fossil fuel use, cement producers cut energy costs, improve margins, and lock in long-term competitiveness. FlowDrya makes the transition smooth and profitable. Talk to our team today and start turning waste into financial advantage.